Phil here with another unboxing. This time it's the Master Grade Justice from Gundam Seed. This is their 2008 release. As usual on the front cover, nice illustration from Bandai. On this side here we've got some miniature pictures of the finished product and some of the effect parts. Now if you did want to paint the little figure that comes with it, it's got a nice recommended colouring of Aether and Zala. This does retail in Japan for 5,000 yen, that is the recommended price. On this side here you've got a nice illustration of the bust. And this side here got some photos of the finished product, the front, rear view, and also the backpack. And this side here we've got the same illustration as the other side. Alrighty, here we have some of the inner frame. Looks like some of the feet and armour. Here we've got effect parts, some more of the weapons, some more armour, looks like leg pieces. Here we've got the decals and as well as multicolour runner. Got the looks like bust and the polycaps. Got the inner frame for legs. Looks like some of the backpack parts, weapons runner and the shield. Beam, and looks like some more parts for the backpack. And the manual. Now this is, as usual, for a master grade, the whole manual is in Japanese. Just follow the pictures. For beginners, you can't go wrong. Now as I did state earlier, this does come with 15 runners, 16 if you count the shield. Let's skip to the middle page. Now it does have some illustrations from the anime, some action poses, and if you did want to paint it, it does have a colour chart here of the recommended colours. Only issue it is in Japanese. Just do a bit of homework probably on the internet, you should be able to find it in your preferred language. Some more of the builds, and if we skip to the last page. Here it shows you all the recommended positions for the decals, and on the back page, nice picture of the finished product, front post. Now I'm not sure if you watched the previous videos that I made of the Sinanju version KA. I did the unboxing and the build in a time lapse. I will be doing a review on that kit in the coming week, preferably a bit sooner. Please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell so you do receive updates of when I do post new videos. If you did like this video, give me some support, hit that like button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.